Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you how you can basically effectively, change Doordash to hourly pay right here. So basically, in select, cities in the US and Canada, Dashers actually have the option to earn, a minimum guaranteed hourly rate based on the time that is actually spent on delivery, which is basically also known as Dasher's active time. This starts, basically from the moment you accept an offer until it's complete, and you get 100% of customers' tips and any applicable promotions on top. Okay? So, how did this actually work? So, in certain cities, you get this option right here. So, instead of earn per offer, you can choose to earn by time, and then you can start the dash. All right? So, you just come here and select earn by time when you start your dash, and you can accept offers to start earning your hourly rate, and you get paid for each minute, guys, until you drop off the order or it's canceled. So here's some things you need to know about, earn by time mode. So you can see the guaranteed hourly rate before you start your dash, and you can decline or unassign one offer per hour, and you get to keep 100% of your tips, guys. And if you decline or unassign an offer, it counts towards your acceptance rate. And if you decline or assign a second offer within the same hour, you can end your dash and switch to earn per offer mode. So it's really easy and simple, guys. It depends on which city you are in. So I hope this video shed some light for you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn those bell notifications, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.